We are Noriko and Yuko of Japanese Cooking 101. In this series, we eat, shop, and cook food we like in Kyoto, Japan. It could be something classic or something new. In each episode, we go out to have a local dish, come up with our own recipe, and shop for ingredients. Then we show you how to make the dish at home. Today we try Salmon Sushi. We go to Musashi, one of the oldest revolving sushi restaurants in Central Kyoto. They have been in business since 1977. Because of the busy location in Kawaramachi Sanjo, this restaurant is always packed, especially with foreign tourists. Reasonably priced sushi on small plates are on conveyor belt, and you eat as much or as little as you want. It's a great place to have a quick bite to eat. We grabbed a couple of kinds of salmon sushi, salmon nigiri topped with sliced onions, and salmon and cucumber rolls with sesame seeds on top. The flavor combination of sliced raw onion, Japanese mayo, and salmon on the sushi rice is so good. So we are headed to a supermarket to get the ingredients to make our own salmon sushi. Luckily in Japan, fresh ingredients for sushi are easily found at any supermarkets. If you are outside of Japan, make sure you get sashimi-grade salmon, not just any raw salmon. We are going to make salmon nigiri sushi with sliced onions, with mayo and ponzu sauce, and salmon and cucumber rolls similar to what we had at Musashi. For a list of ingredients and complete recipe, please visit our website japanesecooking101.com. Let's get started. First, we make the sushi rice. Watch our sushi rice video for how to make it. We make the onion salmon sushi first. Slice a block of salmon. Slice thinly for each sushi piece. Chop green onion finely. And slice the onion very thinly, using a slicer if you can. Mix equal amount of water and vinegar in a small bowl. Lightly wet hands with the vinegar mixture and take a golf ball sized piece of sushi rice and form into an oblong shape and make 12 pieces. Top each rice ball with a slice of salmon. We make a couple of variations today. Put sliced onion and katsuobushi bonito flakes on the salmon and drizzle with ponzu sauce. For another variation, squeeze on some Japanese mayo, put sliced onions, and top with some chopped green onions like that. Next, we are making a salmon sushi roll. Cut salmon into pieces 1/2 inch thick and 8 inch long. Cut cucumber into 1/4 inch thick pieces and the same length as the salmon. Put a bamboo sushi rolling mat flat on your work surface, put plastic wrap on the sushi mat, and place a sheet of nori roasted seaweed on the plastic. Spread the sushi rice on the seaweed and sprinkle some sesame seeds on the rice. Pick up the seaweed and rice and turn over, right side down on the plastic. On the nori seaweed side, put a strip of salmon and 2 long pieces of cucumber horizontally, leaving about 1 inch room from nori seaweed near you, and roll, just like that. It's a bit tricky to roll with the plastic on the outside, but you get a hang of it. This is just like making a California roll. Tighten firmly with the rolling mat to make a log. And unroll and remove the bamboo mat. Cut into 8 pieces and remove the plastic wrap. Serve with soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger if you like. As long as you can find the ingredients, it's not hard to make these wonderful salmon sushi right at your home, and no travel involved.
美味しい。美味しいね。